Hello and welcome to Free Zone Video Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to use WordPress and the features of WordPress. To start, you'll have to find your WordPress login page. This can be in a variety of different places and is unique to your domain. But to help you find this, you will need to follow the on-screen instructions, or alternatively you can go to support.freezone.co.uk and they'll be more than happy to help. To help you locate your login screen for WordPress, please follow the simple format of website name, .extension, /folder if you put one in a folder, then /wp-admin. Please replace these with your actual credentials. So for my WordPress, it will be radon.jabberzone.co.uk /website new /wp-admin. This will bring up the screen as shown in front, and you can log in using your WordPress login details here. This will bring you on to the WordPress dashboard. Your WordPress dashboard is where all the changes you make to your website will be made. Down the left hand side you have a toolbar. This is the main toolbar to make all the changes to your website. To start off, we're going to try and add a theme. Themes are the main kind of design of your website, and it's the outlook of every single page. Please go to Appearance down the left hand side and then along to Themes. This will open up a new window with all the currently installed themes on. If you've installed a default WordPress, you should have the 2010, 2011 and 2012 default WordPress themes. If you've installed previous ones, you might have a few extras as well. As you'll see below each theme, there's Activate, Live Preview and Details. Live Preview shows you what it would look like if you installed this theme onto your WordPress. As you can see, this is what the theme will look like, and you can edit the text and everything inside it, but first we have to choose the theme that we like. For this tutorial, I'm going to install the 2011 theme. This is what it looks like via a live preview. This is the default look of the WordPress site, and obviously we can change everything once installed. If you do like the theme, please click Save and Activate at the top left, and this will install the theme straight away. Don't worry, you can change your theme later if you decide to choose a different one. If you've already created content for WordPress, you will lose this when changing theme, so make sure you don't make too many changes before deciding on your theme that you'd like to stick with. Now that you've installed your theme, you can go to your website domain and you should see that the theme is already installed on there, and all the default text and posts and pages have already been created. Now we'll need to edit these and make it look like your own website. A good tip for changing your WordPress website is having your dashboard and your website side by side, so when you make the changes you can refresh your website and see them instantly. By default, WordPress adds sample pages, posts and comments to your WordPress. And we're going to start by editing the page of sample page, as seen on the right hand side. Please go to Pages down the left hand side of your WordPress dashboard, and underneath sample page, click on Edit. This will bring you into the editor for this page. At the top you can change the page name, and below it you'll have a big text box where you can change the text, images or even formatting of the text that you want to be displayed. Please remove the default text inside there and add your own text for this page. I have started with a default page called Contact Us. Inside here, I'm putting in the text of the technical support and sales numbers. I'm separating these two numbers by a new line, and this will also be displayed on the website. Once I've finished editing in all the information that I want, I click the blue Update button on the right hand side. This will publish the page to the website and the content that I've just changed. Now we will refresh the website and should see that the page has changed from sample page to Contact Us. Please click on that Contact Us page and you should see all the text that we just edited inside this. We will now change the default image that is shown above the pages on our website. This is currently the chest as seen on the right hand side. To change this, please go to your WordPress dashboard and underneath Appearance, go to the tab Header. In the Header tab, it will show you your default image that you have displayed as your header. You can either browse and find one on your computer, or use some of the default images that come with the template. I'm going to browse and find one on my computer. So if I click there, it will open up the folder location, and I'll have to locate the file that I want to choose. Once I've done this, I need to click the Upload button located to the right hand side. And this will upload it to the server and your file space. It will now have to be the right size, so we can move this to wherever we want, or crop it to be smaller or larger if we need to. Once you've got the perfect location and size, please click on Crop and Publish at the bottom left. This will save your new header and will be active on your website straight away. To see this change, again, please refresh your website and you should be able to see it on the right hand side. Now we will change the title and slogan of our website's colour and design. We'll change the name of it later. To do this, please go to the bottom of the header page. Here you'll see Select Colour. Please select Colour of your text. And once you have done, click Save Changes at the bottom left. Again, another refresh of the page will show you what you've done, and also show you that it's active straight away. We will now change the colour of the background. Make sure it doesn't conflict with the colours that we've already put into our website. The background colours everything around the border of the website, so in this case the grey box. Please go down to Appearance, then Background, and at the bottom you should see Display Options. In here you can select another colour for your background, and you'll see that it be changed straight away. It's going to click Save Changes on the bottom left, and again refresh your website. Next, we'll see how to change the widgets of your website. To change the widgets, again, go to your dashboard. Under Appearance, you should see the tab Widgets. Please click on this. At the moment, you'll have some default widgets as shown on the main sidebar at the top right. Please remove all of these, unless you wish to keep any. I'm going to leave Search as my default widget, and then I can save automatically, and then refresh my website to see these changes. As you can see on the refresh, the sidebar widgets are removed and only the ones left are kept. So as you can see, only a search bar now. You can download extra widgets with plugins, or also add the default ones that come with WordPress. I'll now be creating a new page. This page will be a static page and it will be the front page of my website. This page is unlike all the other WordPress pages. They'll be dynamic and can be updated by creating pages and posts on your website. Static pages won't be able to be changed with pages and posts on your website. Static pages will be whatever the text you display on it, but this can still be changed later on. This is better if you want a static looking website rather than a WordPress blog website. So again, I'll go to Pages, and then All Pages, and Add New Page at the top. From this Add New Page section, I can enter a title for the page. It's always best to create this as Homepage or Index or something relevant so you can remember it later. And then also I can create content for this page. This will be displayed on the front page of your website when people view it. Again, once you've created this content, please click the Publish button on the right hand side, and then we can make this page static after that. When you have published this page, to make it static, you need to go to the dashboard and to the bottom left where it says Settings. Please click on this and then Reading on the tabs below. At the top, you get to choose a static page. Please select this, and then from the drop-down menu, select the page you want to be static. Click Save Changes at the bottom to save all those amendments. Then you can refresh your site to see those changes immediately. You should now see that the page changes into a slightly different layout. This is because it is now static and can no longer be updated via post articles that you add to your WordPress backend. It also means that your homepage will always be the same, so the customer can recognize your site whenever they access it. The static homepage can still be changed. All you'll need to do is access the pages on the WordPress backend, go into the page you just created, and edit the content inside. You would then need to republish the article, and you can see the changes automatically from your homepage. All again you need to do is a refresh. Finally, I will create one more page for our website. This will be a What's New page. This will stay as a standard dynamic page and will update when I add new blog posts. If you want to add a new page, again, go to the left hand side of the WordPress dashboard, click All Pages and then Add New. You'll then need to create a title for this page and add some content. The reason for a dynamic page is the What's New page will need to be constantly updated by adding posts to my WordPress. I'll be able to link the post to this page and they will automatically appear and also appear in an order. This is the easiest way to update content to your WordPress. Obviously first you'll need to create the page, so once all the content and title has been selected, please click the Publish button on the right hand side. This will publish the new page and also allow it to be shown on your website. To make this page your post page, you'll need to go to Settings on the left hand side of the dashboard and then back down to Reading. Once here, at the top, it will ask you for a post page in a drop-down menu. Please click the What's New page or your blog post page and then click Save Changes at the bottom left. Now that we have set the blog page, we can now create posts and then that will appear on that page. On the WordPress dashboard, please go to Post at the top left and then click Add New. For the first one though, we're going to edit the post that's already created called Hello World. To do this, highlight underneath the title and you should see the button Edit. If you click this, it will open up a familiar page where you can edit the content and also the title of this page. It's not a page though, it's a post. Please change the post name to whatever you want it to be. For example, the What's New page is going to contain all the items of What's New in FreeZone. So I'm going to create a catchy title for this. And then also deleting the content of this post, I'm going to add my own. Once you have finished adding all the content of your page, again, what you need to do is click the Update button on the top right. Clicking this will automatically add your post to the page you selected to post for. In this instance, it's What's New page. To see the What's New page and the post that you've created, please refresh your website again on the right hand side. As you can see now, we now have the new page in the menu bar, What's New, and if you click on this page, you should be able to see the post that we've just created as well below. This is the first post of our page, and if we create any more, they'll appear above this post. To show you exactly what I mean, I'll create a new post and we'll see exactly how it looks on our website. So again, On the left hand side of the WordPress dashboard, click Posts and go up to Add New. We will again have to create a title and some content for this page. Please add it in the title box and the content box and click Publish once you have finished. Now, when clicking Publish again, we'll see that the post automatically gets put onto our post page, which should be what's new. To check this change has been successful, we'll need to refresh our website again. Once refreshing, we can go to the What's New page and see that 2 of our blog posts should be there. As you can see, the newer one comes on top and it pushes the older one just below that. These are all done in chronological order.